cake. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a cake top forward arch cake. So today I'll be using just two layers of cake, and this is the first layer. And as you can see, I'm applying a dollop of buttercream to just ensure the cake doesn't slip or slide, to make sure it's firm. Then I think this is a good thing here. I'm using, as you can see, it's some more buttercream, but I decided to color it a bit just so that it's not just plain white. And I'm doing this so that the layer of buttercream will be even, and once I cut into it later, you see, because I had to cut into it in order to achieve this style, you see how the layer of buttercream looks. So I'll smooth it out. So that's the second layer, and I am doing a crumb coat. Just making sure it's in place, squeezing out the last bits. We want to make sure we use every bit of buttercream that we have. And there we go, we're crumb coating. Just ensuring that it's straight, ensuring it's together, ensuring it's flat, because we don't want air in between the layer. Smoothing out, smoothing out, smoothing out. This part been going for ages. It's actually therapeutic watching and doing it as well. Just a quick tidy up. So this part, we're just scraping off the excess buttercream, just making sure that everything's in place, making sure it's neat, it's tidy, making sure every excess piece has been removed. So once this is all smoothened out and every excess buttercream has been removed, the next step is to take it to the fridge freezer and chill for about 30 minutes. As you can see, I've already applied another layer of buttercream after it's been chilled, and the chilling is good because it keeps the cake solid, keeps it all together, and makes it easier for when you're applying buttercream. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just applying another layer of buttercream, ensuring everything's smooth, ensuring everything looks good, ensuring everything is okay, so that we can achieve what we're trying to achieve. To be honest with you, this part can go on and on and on forever. There we go. So this has gone into the fridge again once the first layer had been put on, and I'm cutting it now here, and only after I cut it I realized, oh my goodness, wait a minute, wait for it. It wasn't straight. But that's okay, that's okay. I mean, later on I did correct it so that it was straight, and obviously this is just so that it can stand properly, because that, you know, if I'd put that down like that, it would have been tilted. So I made sure I corrected that. And as you can see, as I was saying earlier on, the layer of buttercream, if you can see, it's nice, a nice good amount of buttercream in between. Yeah, so this part I'm trying to flip it over so that I can ice or frost the other side. You see once I do it. As you can see, it's stiffened up from being in the fridge freezer. But it works. There we go. So now to add, I just love spinning the turntable, as you can see. As you can see, I just love spinning it. Okay, so next layer. So that's to cover the other side. I'm covering the base as well. Yeah, so I'm smoothing the sides out, ensuring that everything looks neat. I think it's important to make the cake look neat, as neat as possible. To add to the beauty of it, obviously. Just put another layer on top. So once it's all been smoothed out, just taking it to chill, and we are back again. So we can actually put it in the fridge freezer to chill for another 20-30 minutes, just to ensure that when you touch it, the buttercream is firm. That way it doesn't affect what you've done. So here we are. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, I had cut the bottom bit straighter, so when it stands properly. Just making things a bit more neater. And here I've gone to create some patterns with the stencil. You see it, some on both sides, just to give it a unique texture. And here, guys, these are just a few things that I use. Red roses, and a few of those white bits as well. And the stencil, as you can see, the pattern's like a leaf stencil. I just wanted to add that so you can see the things that I used. Yep. Oh, and here we are. I didn't want to bore you showing you putting the roses in, but with the arch cake you can put the roses in anywhere you like, and I chose to do something like this, and I just highlighted the roses with some gold paint, and here we are. Isn't she lovely? So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any of your own that you've done and you like to show me, I'll be happy to have a look. I'll be happy to visit your page as well. There she is. Thank you for watching.